Okay, so this clock up here, nice clock, but it has been losing time. Every day it was losing like 10 minutes. So I changed the battery in it and it still did it. So I ordered a little a mechanism off of Amazon. It wasn't much, it was like $13. And it doesn't come with the hands. There's some that come with the hands. But let's take that down and put it on the table and see if we can change that and get that clock back working. Yeah, it's been 6 o'clock in here for about a month. Okay, so these clocks, you've probably all seen these kind of things on the back of a clock. Little square box like that with this sets the time, and then you put your battery in here. So I figure that's the culprit, because even a new battery didn't remedy it. So this is the kit. It looks identical. I think the number was even identical on it. Let's see here. It says 12888. And this one here says 12888. So I'm going to take the back off of here. All right, so it just lifts out like that. I'm going to move the case out of the way. Okay, so that little piece in the center just pulls out. It was a little sticky, but there it is. Okay, the minute hand just pulls straight up. All right. And then the hour hand, same thing, just pulls off. So if I look at the new one, it's got a place for a clip on either side, so it's just held in there by a couple of clips. So let's see if we can pop that out of there. It just popped up. Okay, just popped up like that, and then this one like that. And that's the mechanism. All right, let's put the new mechanism through. Put it in the same way. It should just snap in there. All right, and this one comes with a couple of things that go on the face. This rubber washer and a little gold colored washer. And then there's a nut. Little added insurance, I guess, for it not to fall off. Okay. That one just presses down. These have to be lined up when you put them in, because if you don't, when you turn it around, it will be out of sync. There. All right, that should be better. Okay, it's 11:56. And we're going to hang that on the wall, and we're going to check back in a few minutes and see how we've done. Okay, there it is. I've hung it on the wall, and it doesn't look too bad. And I'm going to check it against the clock on my phone in about an hour. If it works, I'm glad to have the clock back in order. Because, what's the time now? What day is it? May the 15th, 2026. No. Can't be. I'm going to go check this. I'm going to have to check this. No, it's not May the 15th, 2026. It cannot be. No. Because I've been relying on this clock all along. 6 o'clock, 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 6 o'clock. Thanks for watching, everybody.